Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council has ruled that the Police Services Commission, PSC, should have investigated allegations of extrajudicial killings carried out by teams led by now retired Senior Superintendent Delroy Hewitt before he was promoted. The ruling, which was made in response to an appeal by Jamaicans for Justice, was posted on the Privy Council's website this morning. It has no bearing on Mr. Hewitt now because he's now retired, but it could set a precedence for future promotions within the JCF.
With SSP Delroy Hewitt now retired, the Privy Council admits that the quashing of the PSC's decision and requirement for a reconsideration of his promotion has become academic. But it said the PSC should inform itself about officers recommended for promotion. It said the Commission has a duty to ensure that allegations of extrajudicial killings are fully and independently investigated before accepting a recommendation that an officer be promoted. The Privy Council added that the Police Services Commission, like the Jamaica Constabulary Force and INDICOM, must exercise its functions in a manner which is compatible with the fundamental rights of all persons. The Privy Council argued that the Commission had the power to ask INDICOM to investigate. The court said while the level of serious violent crime in some parts of Jamaica was a grave concern, there was also a grave concern, both nationally and internationally, that some members of the force were overly inclined to take the law into their own hands in dealing with it. It said this could risk violation of the right to life, to due process of the law, and to equality before the law of the people involved.